Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on your Galaxy S24. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to the settings app and tap it. Then you want to scroll down all the way down until you find this option, which is the last one, about phone. Then you tap it. And then here you want to find this option, software information. So I'm going to tap here. And you want to find this line here, build number. Now, in order to activate the developer mode, you just have to type this number sequentially. So I'm just going to keep tapping, and there it is. It's going to ask my PIN, so I'm going to type it, and it's done. So the developer mode has been turned on. Now, in order for me to take a look at the options in the developer mode, I just hit return twice, and now the last option is the developer options. So if you tap here, you can set the developer options. For instance, this option here, USB debugging, is the one you want to activate if you're trying to connect your phone to Android Studio, and so on. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.